on this scramble, I got my star pieces here, 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 and here. And from this angle, I also noticed two pairs, this one and this one. And since this one's closer to the actual slot, I'm gonna be inserting this as my first pair. So these two are very close. I can insert these two simultaneously, and also insert this relative to these two. And then while I can do this to put this relative to all these three, I can also do that later. So I'm gonna actually insert this and this together. So something like that. And although I noticed this pair, I'm actually gonna just insert this pair first because I think it's more likely in a real solve that I'll just move on to my first pair that I planned during inspection, but I'll definitely make note of this pair. So I can do this pair first and go right into this pair. And then next, I also saw this pair during inspection, so it's gonna be my next pair. Then next, since I don't see any pairs here, I'm gonna be rotating over like this, so I can spot both of my pairs. And from this angle, it's gonna be easier to do this first. What did I just do? It was something like this, but yeah, I would do that into these two. Then next, I see this star piece and looking for the other one, it's right here. So I would probably just do something like this. And then from here, what I notice is this pair. So just insert this first and then move on to these two. Then lastly, do these two. Then insert this edge and then move on to this pair. And then these two, then this, these two, then I can do these two. I'm gonna insert this pair first because my edge is right here, but before pairing this up and inserting, I'm just gonna do an R. So once I insert this edge comes to the U layer. So something like that. Do that into these two. Maybe it would have been better if I did this first, but I'll just move on to this. Voila. And then PLO.